Good evening. First of all, congratulations to opponent. They have more shoots to the goal than us. They scored a goal on the penalty. They have good chances, but also we have good chances. Unfortunately, we not score a goal. I think my boys deserve to score at least one goal, but we not score. But it's the football. Football is accuracy. And opponent team score a goal on the penalty, and that's it. What we're gonna remember is that we lose here 1-0 with many young players, many players that come inside today never play on Liga Sato, Premier League there. Don't have any experience on Liga Dua, the second league, and that's it. We are the youngest team of Indonesia. Today, this is the best players that we can take, and they try to do the best. So, of course, we want to score goals, we want to have a good result. It was not the result that we want, but it's football. We create chances, we not score. Opponent with a penalty score, that's it.
Last game in Group A, PSM Makassar will play at home. So do you think it's a good advantage for your team to qualify to the next round?
No, we not play at home. We are 2 seasons playing away. So we're going to play on Bali, so without supporters. I hope that some supporters can make the travel there. Unfortunately, if we play this competition on Sulawesi Island, I believe that the stadium is going to be full because our supporters, we have many supporters. PSM Makassar is one of the teams on Indonesia that have more supporters. It's the oldest club of Indonesia, 109 years old. But that's it. We're going to try to do our best, and I hope that our supporters can make a sacrifice and go to Bali to support these boys, because as you see today, they give everything on the pitch, but unfortunately, we not score a goal.
So, like you said just now, Coach, PSM Makassar will not play at home, at your real home. So, how do you rate PSM Makassar chances to qualify to the semi-finals?
Well, I think if we win against Vietnam, we can pass. So, we are not out yet. But we know also that Vietnam are a very good team. It's a team with experienced players. Draw here 2-2, I think. So also draw on Thailand. So must be very good team. I already saw some games of them because I was analyzing opponent team. But now I'll be honest with you. Now my focus is to recover these players, because we are the travel team, and now we're gonna make many travels to arrive. And after we go to play a game, 2 games for the league. And after we go to play against Vietnam team, just after the second game against the champion there, that we're going to play against Vietnam team. So step by step.
Will be a tough match in the last grouping match.
Yes, I think it's good, because I think almost all the teams have chances, and this is good for the competition. Unfortunately, we are not playing on Sulawesi, because if we play on Sulawesi, on Makassar, I imagine that because the importance of the game, maybe we get full stadium, but that's it. We are playing 2 seasons away. Always, it's not easy without supporters, because the supporters make the passion of the game. And when the supporters support the team, I feel my players give more extra energy. Okay. Thank you. All the best.